In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell through your social media accounts using PayPal. This simple guide will help you reach your followers more effectively and streamline your sales process via your favorite social media platforms. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to go to the PayPal website, opening a new tab on your web browser, type in paypal.com and hit enter. This will bring you to the PayPal homepage where you can access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up before getting started. Remember, having a PayPal account is essential for both sending and receiving payments, so be sure to get that sorted out first. Once you're on the homepage, locate the Login button. It's typically situated in the top right corner of the page. Click on it. This will redirect you to the login page where you will need to enter your email address and password. These are the credentials you set up during your account creation. If you've forgotten your details, there are options to recover them, so don't worry. After entering your email and password, click on Login again to access your account dashboard. Here you have a view of your account balance, recent activity, and various options related to personal and business transactions. To continue setting up your social media sales, look for the menu option labeled Pay and Get Paid. This is usually found along the top of the screen. Clicking it will expand further options. We've arrived where payment related tools are grouped together. Under the Accept Payments tab, you want to choose Sell on Social. This is a special feature PayPal offers for those who market and sell products through social media platforms. Now you'll need to create your product listing. This involves adding images, writing a description, and setting a price for each product you're planning to sell. Make sure your images are clear and your descriptions are catchy yet informative to attract more buyers. Trust is important in online sales, so ensure your product information is accurate and professional. Once your product details are set, click the Create button. This generates a shareable link that is specific to your product. What's great about this is that you can copy this link and share it wherever you connect with your audience, whether that's on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, or through email and SMS. Your followers, upon clicking this link, will be taken to a page where they can easily see your product and make a purchase by clicking the Buy Now button. Customers will have the flexibility to pay using their PayPal account or a credit or debit card, making it easy and convenient for them. With these steps, you'll streamline the purchasing process for your customers, maximize your reach on social media, and most importantly, increase your sales efficiently. Thank you for watching and happy selling.